And so this lady coming on stage, she's a fashion designer known globally. And she's a mentor in the fashion industry. She has a school of fashion and trains other ladies to do what she's coming to show us here. So ladies and gentlemen, please, with a round of applause, let's welcome MC Akinyi Odongo, OGW.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. On stage, I know you were expecting me to come wearing some very different thing, but we're going to have a sports fashion show first. That's why I'm dressed like this. I'm wearing Wanja Kenya, and on my bomber jacket, it's the number 237, which indicates that Kenya has the number of medals Kenya has won by the year 2022. That is last year. So the number 237. We have 3 brands, which we're going to show you on stage. And the first brand that is going to come is Mimo Fashion. So Mimo. Still rock it with some heels, you know. Of course, not to their office, but yeah. They are thrilled to be a brand that combines the best of the fashion and functionality, catering to people who embrace an active lifestyle while maintaining their sense of style. Sasa hapo ndio football. Hiyo ni locally designed with a group of young designers, Warrior Sports. Hata socks, viatu, socks, kila kitu made in Kenya, 100% Kenya. And by the way, as I even continue this, I hope your neighbor, just ask your neighbor, are you wearing a local brand? Muulize ni mgani. Hashtag, I'm wearing mambo pambo, I'm wearing, amesema nini? Na kama hajava mwambie shame on you. Just kidding. But I hope you got the... It means we should have... Your Excellency, we should have actually put a dress code and let those who are not wearing local to remain out there. But being courteous to all of us. Thank you so much, Warrior. This is locally made. So I think the county governments who are here, uniform zile ma bottom up football inakuja, uniform iko hapa. So just order. Pesa mfukoni, talanta hela, tunataka pesa mfukoni. Thank you so much, Warrior. Let's appreciate the brand Warrior. Next on stage is Wanja Kenya, who has dressed me of the Team Kenya outfits that were adorned at the Athletics in Tokyo 2022. And by the way, this particular show, these are international brands. Hawajavaa tu nguo hivyo. Hawa ni athletes. Naona? These are athletes representing Kenya. So these are our brands made by Kenyans. They always celebrate Kenya. When you look at rugby or international markets, you always see every Kenyan is wearing this. And I think they're beautiful. They're also having some there. Maybe you buy Kenya, build Kenya. Thank you so much. We have the next. These are all our superior. Who knows that girl? Oh my goodness. Who is that girl? Look at her. She looks, sometimes modeling is not easy. Modeling is not an easy job, but yeah, we just told them, just wave. But let's appreciate our sportsmen and women who are making us proud as a country, representing us internationally and making us proud. Thank you so much. Wanja Kenya draws inspiration from Kenya's rich cultural heritage and diverse tradition, creating sports apparel that fully showcases our uniqueness on a global stage. They combine the deep expertise with functionality with local designs. So, all of you who are watching here, you really can't tell us why you're buying things from outside. We have everything we need here. The fashion industry in Kenya has grown tremendously. And Your Excellency, as also a fashion designer in this space, last year and the last Olympics, we had an opportunity to do a competition to the young designers in Kenya to create a look for the designers who are traveling. So it's a market that is ready. We need the support, how to import fabrics, how to get things that could be affordable for the local industry. That is some of the things that we need to look forward into even engaging with you further, because we do really have some challenges. Hata kupata zips zingine, quality mzuri, all of you know, sometimes you got the zip bust somewhere. So there are things that we need to have engagement on. So on stage, I want to invite the designers behind these three brands to come on stage. Let's celebrate the Kenyan designers that is Wanja Kenya. She's representing Wanja Kenya. She's done an amazing work representing our brand, Kenya. And we have Nemo, the designer behind Nemo. Fantastic. Even the hair is designed. Yeah, the design. And then that kind of a design, shoulder moja iko si ati imeraruka. Hapana, it's a design. And then we have the designer from Enda. And I think I need to have Enda mbele. We have Warrior on stage and the designer from Warrior. And I want to invite on stage to join is Enda. The lady from Enda, thank you. Did I miss anybody else? So let's all appreciate all the designers who are here. We were not able to showcase all the brands that we have in Kenya. We have many brands. So let's appreciate, a picture. Oh, that's fantastic. So, should I also join? I'm jealous. Yeah. join? Should I? My ex-officer najua kuomba ruhusa.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Pongezi.
Thank you. Thank you from Warrior. There's William. Talanta hela. Amelipa. Unajua tunasema monetize yote. Lakini sasa kama ni pesa ngapi? How much is it? Kuna tata.
Mwambia ni ingine noma sana. So ukiniambia niko na mama na ndio marafiki zangu, unataka kusema sisi tuko na nini?
Wacha kuvuta kikosi kwa history yako.
Inaweza vuta kikosi hivi.
Mama ni personal bro. Mama ni yako.
Hapana,
but unajua wacha nikwambie, wewe kwanza ulifanya, huyu mtu wewe uchocha sana mademo wa Nairobi. Do you know guys that in Nairobi if you are not married now na hauna pesa, wachana nayo. So because Nairobi ladies, they don't love you for who you are, your excellency. They love you for what you have. Na mpaka wanapigiana simu wanaongea. Unajua unaweza pata mtu akona sura kama, sasa sijui ndatumia gani, lakini ni example. Kama na Simba Arati ni example, your excellency. Usinivote hapa nje uanze kusema nao who is funny now. Lakini unapata gavana kama Simba Arati. Kwa sababu akona pesa. Si unaona akona kipara.
Na sura personal.
Na sura yake tu
private.
Usichoche sana lakini.
Sura yenye yeye peke yake
ndio anajua.
Yeye uifurahia.
Today tunamchocha. Sema oh my god. Akinapenda kipara yake. Kwanza avae sharpshooter. Alafu avae suti anakaa sponsor. Your excellency sota na the same kipara. Mademo atakuwa anauliza, guys sasa nikuulize Mili, kama nywele zinashindwa kusurvive mimi ndaishiaje? Your excellency ni jokes. Ni jokes.
Uongo. Mheshimiwa Your Excellency aliniambia atakupiga na hiyo. Nitumie yangu uone nikwambie ukweli mingi zaidi. Bro, si ulisema mimi ni msema kweli. Mimi nimeingia kwa wale watu ambao wanasema ukweli. Niseme nisiseme?
Mimi ndio ndasema ukweli. Ukienda hiyo direction nimekwambia kitu watu wanafanya Kayole, watu wa Kisii. Unajua Kayole governor, sijui kama unajua kuna siku watu walikuwa wananyongwa sana. Saa 3 ikifika kama hujafika unanyongwa. So residents wa Kinakatelo wakasema ndio usinyongwe, unalia kama bunduki, unapita unasema tua. Sasa shida ilikuwa wa Kisii, your excellency, na soprano tua. Baka mwizi anauliza, kwani hiyo ni bunduki gani? Silencer buda. Wachana gavana mdosi.
Okay, nimewacha. Lakini kama ukiniachia yangu nitakutumia hizo stories ameniambia. But
gavana pia ukiniachia ndaacha kuongea hivi vile naongea. Nitengeneze mfuko uone. Pia Jago yuko hapa.
Ngoja, wewe gavana alisema ati wa Kisii ni wachawi.
Hiyo ni story yako.
Pia amesema niseme. Okay, sawa. We have a lot of content creators in the house here. Wako wapi? Content creators. Wako wapi content creators?